Welcome to LearnWire. I'm excited to bring this product to you today. It is a review of AI Affiliate Suite. But before we get into that, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and you will be in the running to win this week, right? So the next drawing will be on Monday, May 22nd. I will announce the winner, the new winner of another copy of Copify version 2. I was looking at the softwares to give away. Of course, there's 1,000 softwares we could give away, but for the value and for the cost to me at only $59, I'm giving this software to you guys just for participating in this giveaway, making sure that you're subscribed, making sure that you're engaging in the videos and commenting and so forth. But this one, I was going to do Kateb. You guys can leave a comment below if you guys want me to do Kateb next week, but they have like 10 codes. You can spend like $300 or something like that. And so when I look at the actual capabilities of the two softwares and what you get with Copify, the fact that you're going to be able to hook up your open API key to Copify and basically create unlimited documents in one of their workflows. You get unlimited, and then they have up to 150 workflows with some of the other more complex workflows. But I mean, this is a really, really good deal for just $59. So that's why I decided and arrived at this being the one that I'm giving away this week. So like I said, like, subscribe, comment, engage in all the videos this week, and next Monday, on May 22nd, I will do the drawing and reveal the winner of Copify. Okay, so let's get into today's video. It's going to be a quick review. I've watched this whole course by Chris Derenberger. And if you guys don't know who Chris is, this is a guy that's been online for a long time, many years, and he does affiliate marketing, he does YouTube, he does niche websites. He kind of does it all. Kind of reminds me of myself, actually, where it's kind of he's a jack of all trades online. He's not just specializing in one thing. He actually does several different things to make money using the internet. And so this is a really, really cool course. And I know that this is going to be very relevant to my audience here on LearnWire, because he's going to teach you how to use ChatGPT and other softwares and so forth to basically create affiliate-driven websites. And that is really, really cool, because you guys know I'm currently doing a series, but I'm teaching you how to use only AI, but we're building niche content-based websites that is different than what he's teaching in this course. And that's why I wanted to share this with you. So one thing I like to do is be completely transparent about these products, right? So this is on Warrior Plus, and you guys know I do not flood LearnWire with Warrior Plus or even JVZoo products. It's once in a blue moon, a good product comes out, and then I share it with you guys. And this is one of those exceptional products, because if we come through here, and I'm just going to show you right here, this is Muncheye. These are announcement lists. There are hundreds of products listed every month that are sold on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo, and you can just see the list just goes and goes and goes. And so if we actually took this, and if you counted just today on May 15th, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 8 products, right? And that's kind of conservative. A lot of times there's 10 or more, but let's just take 8 for fun. And you take 8 and you multiply that times 30. So there are, 8 times 30 days in the month, you're looking at 240 plus products a month to look at, to review, to purchase if you're a customer, and so forth, right? And if we go January, February, March, April, we multiply that times 4, and then we're even 2 weeks into May, so you would add in another, a couple hundred. We're well over 1,000 products at that point that have hit this marketplace this year so far. And I've only shared that I can remember 2 products with you. And one of those was Chris Derenberger's YT influencer. And I was the top affiliate for that launch because it was such a great product. I had no problem promoting it. It was a great, great product. Chris only comes out with good products. And so that's why he's one of my favorite vendors I look for his products. And he's coming out with this, so it's really exciting. And then the other one was Insta Keywords, right? And that one was amazing as well. I also topped the affiliate list for that launch as well. And those were two amazing, exceptional products on this platform. As you can see, all these other products over here, I basically don't even sell these products. I skip over them and I don't tell you about them, only on some very rare vendors. And so I hope you understand that I'm bringing this review with just transparency, and that I believe in the product and the vendor in this case. Okay. And then another just kind of thing that I like to do is I'll come over here and you'll look at Chris Derenberger. I mean, he's a top 5% affiliate on the platform. He's a top vendor, elite status, all this stuff. But this is something that is just almost unheard of on Warrior Plus platform, is the 5-star ratings right here. If you hover over this, he's got a 4.81 based on almost 600 ratings. I actually don't think I've seen this with any other vendor, period. So it just means that if you buy a product from him, you know it's going to be good. You know you're going to get your money's worth, and you know it's going to be worth every penny. Okay, so without that, hopefully I sold the heck out of that for you guys, but I really do believe in it. You can tell in my voice that this is the real deal. So this is the, let's see, let's go back over to the sales page. Okay, so this is AI Affiliate Suite. You can watch the video. You can go and check out what is going on with this product. Here's the videos you're going to get. Video 1, the effects of AI on the future of affiliate marketing. So it's really cool, his take on this, because he really does keep up with, you know, he has to in this market and what he does for a living. He has to stay on top of what AI is doing for websites, what AI is doing for YouTube, and what AI is doing for you know, making money online and affiliates and so forth, right? So you know you're going to be getting the latest information. Chris goes out and does his due diligence and does all the research for you. And so I mean, what is the price of this? I think it's like $12 just to get into this front end product, which is just insane. Okay. So he's going to take you by the hand. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to be taught where he wants you, where he recommends you to get your web hosting from. It's not Bluehost or HostGator. I'm just going to let you know that right now, which is awesome. Good, refreshing to hear that he's not recommending those two right there. He's got another really good, affordable option for you, but one that he's been around the block. Reminds me a lot of myself. He's been around. He's used almost every hosting provider, and he has landed on one that is a really affordable price, but really, really high quality. So just little nuggets like that is worth the price of, you know, basically going to Taco Bell and getting a combo meal. And that's what you're going to be able to get with this course. So really, really good stuff. Now, he is giving away what the platform is. This is ChatGPT, but I can tell you right now, the prompts that he's providing on being able to quickly, within 5 minutes, get those 1,800 word articles that are well researched and on point is just insane. The way that he goes about using ChatGPT, and this is different than what you've seen before. So well worth it. Really cool. So you're going to be creating affiliate websites, and it doesn't have to be Amazon. It doesn't have to be Warrior Plus products you're selling. It can be ClickBank, it can be any platform, any products that you can go out and do reviews on, and you can actually build full-blown affiliate sites in almost any niche that you want to in building content. And the cool part about this is that you don't have to, you know, I'm into using fancy software. Some of the most recent, you know, high quality software I'm using is costing $100 a month to use, things like that. But here, you know, I would recommend using the $20 plan on ChatGPT. It's just $20 a month, and you're going to get unlimited access to it and all the tools and everything. So really a $20 a month investment for unlimited content is, I mean, amazing, right? But if you don't have $20, you literally just don't have the budget for that, then of course you could use the free version of ChatGPT and this will still work. But you can see right here, just all the kinds of stuff. He's telling you how to use ChatGPT to create your terms and service and disclosure and privacy pages that you need on your websites, how to create your website categories, installing WordPress, and adjusting all the settings. So past all the stuff that, you know, if you're a newbie, this is very helpful information. But then you really get into using ChatGPT to create your informational blog articles. This is where the prompting and so forth comes in, and his strategy. And he shows you proof. He shows you dozens of ranking articles. So this is like not based on theory. It's actually based on what Chris is actually doing in his business to rank his content and make that money, right? So this is the golden nuggets for someone that's pretty experienced. You could almost skip to this probably video 8, video 9, where it starts getting into the ChatGPT prompting and so forth. That's where I learned a lot as well. And then understanding all these different for product reviews, Google's guidelines on product reviews, using ChatGPT to create product reviews, just insane. And then using Midjourney to create the images for the site. All the images were created using the Midjourney, then creating your sitemap and building authority and so forth. So this is very specific to, and here's all of his AI rankings within a week and so forth. So just really cool. He debugs that Google hates AI content. Obviously, they do not care because he's showing you proof dozens and dozens of times. He even shows you inside the course a website that is only 2 weeks old that's already indexing and all that good stuff, right? So really top-notch course that you're going to get. Here's what it looks like inside, and you can easily, with just the click of a button, go to any of the upgrades that you buy. I'll take you through what these upgrades are just briefly. Don't want to spend a whole lot of time on them. I really want to just get you in on this front end product that is really only, I believe the product start is like $12.95. I mean, like I said, you can't go to a fast food restaurant for around that same amount of money. So really cool, the stuff that you're going to learn in here. So he's got an introduction video as always, and then it's just nicely laid out. You can literally just click over here, WordPress settings. He's got all kinds of good information, any resources underneath, and the video right there. Google's guidelines right here. You even give you a link to go read the Google guidelines. There is some really cool stuff when you come into creating product reviews. I'm not going to click on that because it actually will show you the prompt. He actually has it in here, the prompt to use to, the formula to make these websites and so forth. So that's the most exciting part. Really easily laid out right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 videos in the front end, a nice complete course. And then what you've got is the redirect guard is the next level up if you want to get this. I actually bought this product, and I'm going to be doing a full review on this product at some point in the coming weeks. I haven't gotten around to it, but just for $37 right now, it's going to basically be like a Pretty Links alternative. Any of those ones that you use, Thirsty Affiliates or Pretty Links on WordPress, and I've tried both of those and they are awful. I cannot use them. They crash all the time on me, and honestly, I just don't use them. I usually use third-party affiliate link shorteners and cloakers, but this is the solution. So you can use your own branded website, and you can read right here all the different stuff that you get on this. Is just insane what you get for the value on this plugin. Okay, so definitely top-notch software right here. A WordPress plugin for affiliates, and he's got you covered with all of your affiliate sales, and you can track the links. There's stats on each link, all that kind of good stuff, and it's for a cheap price, $37 one time, and it looks like you're going to install it up to 10 sites. So I highly recommend the OTO1 for sure. OTO2 I would probably highly recommend as well. This is going to be the expired domains, build profitable affiliate sites. So how to go out and find really ridiculously low priced, high quality expired domains. And this is for $47 on the cost of this OTO2. But this one is really cool. If you want a leg up and you want to kind of take a shortcut, if you will, and get your content ranking even faster, and probably have a site that has authority, so then you'll be able to actually outrank other sites for a little bit more competitive terms. This is really good, and it's not like your classic how to buy expired domains. I mean, I can send you over to Otis and you can spend $2,500 on a expired domain, no problem. But this is going to be showing you how you can get into these for very cheap and find the golden nuggets before other people do. So I highly recommend this one as well. And then the final one is right here. This one's going to be a little bit pricey at $197, but he's giving away 54 done for you niche based WordPress templates. So these are templates you can go out and build. You could literally build 54 websites like overnight with this pack right over here. So if that's something that you want to do and build this giant niche website business, he's got you covered with this as well. Okay. So again, this is AI Affiliate Suite. This is by one of the best vendors that I've seen on Wire Plus, averaging almost a 5-star rating, which is unheard heard of on Warrior Plus. He definitely has my backing as far as this being a very high quality product. If you want to jump in for just $12.95 and learn how Chris is building these AI affiliate sites very quickly with using ChatGPT and Midjourney, a super cool course. You get the prompts that he uses, which I haven't seen. I've watched probably a million, seems like a million YouTube videos of just prompting, and I've done it myself. I've done a lot of prompt engineering and coming up with unique prompts to build blog posts and stuff in ChatGPT, and his prompts are really fluid, really cool, like I've never seen before. So I can't recommend AI Affiliate Suite enough. If you want to go pick this up, I just hope I did it justice, gave you the full kind of backing, transparency, and honesty. You can go bonus hunting all you want, but if I brought any value to you with my years of experience with affiliate marketing, and I can actually, that this is a real product, a good product, because I am not the everyday, Warrior Plus product, promoter, if you will. And so that this is a good product. So if you want to support the channel, and if I brought you value in this product review, then you can click the first link below and you can go pick up Chris's product, AI Affiliate Suite. I appreciate your time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to be in the running for this week's giveaway. I'll do the drawing next Monday on May 22nd, and somebody is going to win a free version of Copify AI version 2. All right, thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.